Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you Work Pro 3-piece self-centering drill bit set. This is very durable. Let's take it out and see. It has 3 pieces and 1/4 inches hex HSS steel. This is ideal for drilling pilot holes when installing hinges, strike plates and other hardware. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have. You see, drill bit is inside, but it is self-drilling. You see, right there. How about this? We can open it and see. The drill bit is inside, but this is helping with the center. Sometimes it's too hard to center it. How about this? Let's check what we have inside. This is small. Here is the last one. Right there. Let's go ahead and test it and see how it's working. Let's try to use these on this because it's too hard to center them. I'm going to show you. Let's take this out and try to put it over there and center it. Sometimes it's too hard, as you see. I don't know where it's going. It's just going to the left side. I couldn't center it well. Yeah. And how about here? So it's just moving around. I don't want that. What I need is, I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on and try to center it well. And let's try to use this one. Since this is a little bit big, I can use the small one. Now we're good to go. And now it's centered. You see, that's the center. And we can go ahead and take this out. Next thing is I'm gonna show you how we're gonna change the drill bit. You already have the tool. You're just gonna unscrew it and take it out. Put the new one and go ahead and tighten it. And also you can adjust this however you like. And go ahead and put it back. Before I was trying to make the hole, but you see it's not even. There was no self-centering drill and bit set. How about here? You see some of them. Another good thing is, while you're trying to center it, you see these areas, right and left. All the wood residue is coming from there. Let's see. Right there. That's awesome. They thought about everything. I can definitely suggest these products. It's because you're able to self-center and you're not gonna miss anything. Everything is gonna be perfect.